Well, got the kids' truck. The inside pretty much squared away. We got her jacked up. Gonna take a look at this wheel bearing. They had sent me a video of it when it was 300 miles away, and just gonna reenact that. But man, yeah, no bueno. So time to get this wheel off. I got two bearings, one for this side, one for that side. Give that a look. They think they had a problem with the four-wheel drive, but I think it was just the hub grinding. I'm gonna take a look at some of that. Well, this has to be the cleanest '04 Chevrolet that I've ever been under. Anyways, getting ready to take her apart, but you can see that whole damn thing moving. No bueno. Uh-oh. Guess she's got a piddle. Well, we got new shocks coming. Changing the two hubs. Just track down a couple little leaks. And I'm gonna take these damn things off. Just hit them with a chisel and a hammer on either side, and they go away. I never put them back on. Sue me. Looks like she does not need pads. Rotors are nice, baby soft. So, alright, well, I'm gonna get... Jeez, that's beautiful. Yeah, this is what you get for 80,000 miles on an '04 in 2020. Damn. Didn't really have to use this. I could push it back, but I find it just a lot easier now instead of just fighting the CV joint to shove it back so I can get my impact and socket back there for these 3 back bolts. Keep a little tray handy for chasing garbage around the garage. Alright folks, getting ready to knock this bad boy off. Taking the 3 bolts out the back, got this nut off. I've actually had to modify my socket because sometimes these are deep. You can only get the shallow one. It's the price of living in Alaska. So, take your bets now. Yeah, don't just pull off. Huh. It's actually moving pretty good. Time to bend stuff. Ta-da! Yeah, that's nice and ugly. Yeah, you can, I don't know if you can see that. I can't see the camera, but yeah, no bueno. Got the new one here. Not going to tell you the brand. Smart people can probably figure it out. It doesn't, it's nice and tight. I'm of the sort that whatever brand you buy, it's going to be the wrong one, and it's going to wear out way too soon. But hopefully this will outlast the life of this truck, or at least this ownership. Found this in the box. Looks like instructions. Bye. Alright, we got that put back together. Now we're going to be adding a set of shocks to this thing. I personally like KYBs. Everyone has their choices. Got a good deal on these, and well, we're going to slap a set in. I'm not going to show you the whole process, but oh, there we go. We got it back together. Ended up grabbing my old little plier or croissant wrench here and grab the top of that. Used a 15mm ratchet wrench, got that off there. It was a different size nut for putting it back together, so I had to grab this one here. I really kind of like it. Get it at Lowe's, Home Depot. Different sizes, but the rod goes through it. Get her up in there and bang away. I guess it could have been a little tighter, but this side's done. Just got to put it on the ground, torque the nut, put the cap back on it. Time to do the rear shocks on the other side, but well, today we are underneath the kids' truck doing rear shocks on it. And I have to say, this has to be the cleanest undercarriage of an '04 Silverado in the flippin' state of Alaska. It has, what, 86,000 miles on it? Well, there's the hole in the shock. Got the new ones in place. You guys probably have seen this done 500 times. But I think it's kind of crazy being underneath this truck. For being 16 years old, I have not seen anything this frickin' nice. I mean, my God, there's even paint still on the leaf springs. Little bump stops are not crusty. You can see the bottom of the bed. Heel joint's still good. Oh, there's a flake. Inside the bed. Cab corners are clean and free of crap. Oh my God. Evidently her leaking underneath is the rubbers on these transmission lines. And I mean, this engine looks clean. I mean, look at that. Isn't that pretty? I ain't done nothing to that. Now, you get down underneath there, the bottom of the water pump is thrashed out. It's leaking coolant and transmission fluid on the floor underneath. Had an oil leak too, but that was from the oil filter for some reason. So got on the old interweb and ordered up some new parts and drove probably 100 miles to get them all together. But we'll see. Hopefully, trying to do this one a little better, not cut it and just put a hose clamp in it, you know. These things have $20-25 a piece for the whole line. Not that bad of a deal if you ask me. So hopefully she'll get another 3 to 18 years out of it. Well, this has been fun. Draining. It's making a drizzle sound. It makes me have to go pee. But that's for the folks that are wearing headphones. Got the pump out. Got the new lines ready to go in. Changing the oil seals on the differential too. That actually proved to be a good idea, because I'm pulling out these damn lines. Now I remember why I always cut them and put frickin' hoses on them. This has been a struggle all morning, making a nice big mess. I sure wish I had an overhead, but I'm happy I got this little hydraulic jack I had it on the floor jack at first, and boy, I just wasn't enough room for my fat butt. Right now, I would show you the video of me pulling these lines out, but I'd have to mute the language. It's unusable by the amount of profanity that I used to remove those lines. So I use profanity versus skill. So we'll get this stuff cleaned up and put back in. So there we go, people. Shifter fixed, cluster fixed, key fixed, hubs fixed, new water pump, new transmission lines, 4 new shocks. Yeah, that's about it. So hopefully the kid has a car that's going to run for quite a while. Didn't put plugs in it, and they're probably due. But her husband's a mechanic too, so gotta leave something for him to do. So, thank you for watching. Time to slam the hood, take it for another test drive, and go play with it. This is one of the fun things she has. Nice little siren. Go impersonate a police officer. No, I don't do that. But I do like scaring the shit out of people 2 feet away from the truck. Alrighty, people. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.